cutting across to some more breaking news that we're getting, and this could be significant as part of the outreach that the government is trying to make as far as the farmers' agitation is concerned. Amit Shah, Home Minister, is chairing a meet. There are the Agriculture Minister is also there, and there are some other ministers also present. This, of course, pertains to the farmers' agitation and comes a day ahead of the another round of talks between the farmers and the Agriculture Minister chaired panel of the government. Remember, both Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal have been negotiating with the farmers' unions on behalf of the government. And now we're getting some breaking news that Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing a meet with other ministers, including the Agriculture Minister. So this is happening just a day before another round of talks are finally set to take place tomorrow between the unions and the government. Remember, the unions have even released an agenda of their own, and they want that the discussions should happen only on these points and in the order that has been mentioned. Of course, several eyebrows have been raised because issues not concerning with the farm laws are also part of the agenda that the farmer unions are now pushing as part of these talks. The government has already said that there's not going to be any repealing of the acts. Amendments are possible. They've given some assurances in written after the last few rounds of talks, but they have not been accepted by the farmer unions, who are insisting that nothing can happen unless the laws itself are repealed. So what really would be the middle path, if any, that both sides can come to continues to be the big question. Let's also go across to my colleague Himanshu joining us with more on this. Himanshu, what more are you learning of this meet that is now being chaired by the Home Minister?
देखिए, अभी जानकारी मिली है कि अमित शाह के आवास पर जो है वो एक महत्वपूर्ण बैठक चल रही है। किसान आंदोलन को लेकर बैठक चल रही है, जिसमें नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर जो कृषि मंत्री है वो मौजूद है, गृह मंत्री अमित शाह मौजूद है और पीयूष गोयल उस बैठक में मौजूद है। हालांकि पीयूष गोयल और जो नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर है वो लगभग 5 दौर की जो बात हो चुकी है किसानों के साथ में, तो 6वें दौर के लिए सरकार ने आमंत्रित किया है किसानों को कि वो आए और बात करें। तो आगे किसानों के साथ में किस तरीके से काम करना है, किस तरीके से बात करनी है, किसानों की कौन सी मांगों को माना जा सकता है, कौन सी मांगों को नहीं माना जा सकता, इन तमाम विषयों को लेकर बातचीत हो रही है। इस प्रकार ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है कि अगले 24 घंटे में किसान संगठनों के साथ में सरकार जो है बातचीत कर सकती है। तो जो बातचीत होने वाली है आने वाले दिनों में 24 घंटे में किसानों के साथ में, उनके साथ में क्या बात करना है, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय है और उसी को लेकर मंथन चल रहा है। अभी तक किसानों ने जो डिमांड की है वो सारी डिमांड सरकार गृह मंत्री के सामने रखी जा रही है। गृह मंत्री जो है तो वो पूरी की पूरी ड्राफ्ट रिपोर्ट है वो सब प्रधानमंत्री को सौंपेंगे और उसके बाद में आगे का निर्णय होगा। सरकार पहले भी कह चुकी है कि एमएसपी को लेकर दे सकते, लेकिन कानून का हिस्सा नहीं बना सकते। और जो महत्वपूर्ण चीजें हैं, जो तर्कसम्मत बातें हैं, लॉजिकली जो सही किसान कह रहे हैं, वो सरकार बात मानने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन किसान जो है वो अड़े हुए हैं कि तीनों कानून रद्द कर दिया जाए। सरकार कह रही है कि तीनों कानून रद्द नहीं होंगे, तो बीच का रास्ता क्या निकाला जा सकता है, इसको लेकर विचार मंथन चल रहा है।
जी, we're also getting some more updates that the Agriculture Minister has actually invited the farmers' unions for a dialogue on 30th December now at 2 p.m. So let's also go across to Piyush. So Piyush, that means that the next round now takes place on 30th, not tomorrow.
Well, absolutely. The farmers had written a letter to the government saying that they were ready for the talks and they wanted to have talks with the government on 29th at around 11 a.m. And now the government has responded back to farmers by saying that the government wants to have talks on 30th December at 2 p.m. at Vigyan Bhavan, the same venue where we have already seen at least many rounds of talks which have already taken place with the farmers. There are 6 rounds of talks which took place with farmers, and we know that every time the farmers, whenever they have reached at Vigyan Bhavan, they have their only one demand: to repeal all these farm laws. And we know that a couple of days back the government has done to farmers that the government is open to have talks with farmers to solve the crisis and to solve the kind of protests that are now taking place. And now finally, the government has responded back on the letter to which the farmers have returned that they wanted to have talks on 29th at around 11. Now the government is saying that farmers should come on 30th December, which means day after tomorrow and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Government proposes to have talks with farmers at the same venue, Vigyan Bhavan.
Yes. This letter has been written to about 40 farmer unions, most of them belonging to Punjab. And of course, there are some national factions as well, but a majority of them are actually either Punjab-centric or, maybe factions that are more dominant in Punjab out of some of the national umbrellas of the various Kisan unions. So they want this dialogue to now take place on December 30th at 2 p.m. Piyush, I just need to ask you if this has been accepted by the farmers union, or do we have to wait on that? Okay, seems to have lost the line with Piyush. We'll continue to get more on this, but the latest that is coming in is two things. One, Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing a meet with Agriculture Minister and also Piyush Goyal and other ministers. This now the next round of talks is expected to happen on December 30th, 2 p.m. as per the government's letter to about 40 Kisan unions. So we'll have to wait and see if this is accepted. The government has invited them. Of course, this is happening after the Kisan unions had suggested that another round takes place tomorrow. We'll continue to track the latest.